To get Apple Pay on your iPhone, you will need to have a compatible device, which includes iPhone 6 and later models. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone, which can be found on the home screen. If you cannot find it, swipe left until you see the app library page and tap the Finance and Shopping category to locate it. Once you have opened the Wallet app, tap the plus sign in the top right corner to start the process of adding a card. You will be prompted to select the type of card you want to add, which can be a credit or debit card, or a transit card in some regions. Choose the type of card you want to add and tap Continue. You will then be asked to take a photo of your card or enter the card details manually. If you choose to take a photo, the Wallet app will automatically detect the card number and expiration date. After your card has been detected, you will need to enter the security code on the back of your card. You may also be asked to provide additional verification, such as a phone call or SMS from your bank. Once your card has been verified, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of Apple Pay. After agreeing, your card will be added to the Wallet app and you can start using Apple Pay. To use Apple Pay, simply hold your iPhone near a contactless payment terminal and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You will know the payment has been successful when you see a check mark on the screen and hear a confirmation sound. You can also use Apple Pay in apps and on websites. By selecting Apple Pay as the payment method and authenticating with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Best practices for using Apple Pay include keeping your iPhone and card information up to date, and being aware of your surroundings when making a payment. You should also keep your iPhone and card secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. Overall, getting Apple Pay on your iPhone is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps, you can start using Apple Pay to make convenient and secure payments.